For 250 years, America has been a nation of builders, a nation of innovators, engineers, and manufacturers pushing the boundaries of what's possible. At Global Foundries, we're proud to continue that tradition. Across our manufacturing sites in New York and Vermont, we develop and manufacture the essential chips that help power the technologies people rely on every day. The networks that connect us, the vehicles that move us, the systems that help keep us safe. And we're continuing to invest in America's future, investing billions of dollars in advanced manufacturing, technology, and talent, strengthening American technology in semiconductor manufacturing, and creating opportunities for the next generation. Because innovation is never just about today. It's about what's next. Artificial intelligence moving from the cloud into the physical world, silicon photonics moving data at the speed of light, and technologies that today exist only at the edge of imagination. At Global Foundries, we're building the technologies that will shape the next chapter of American innovation. Because America's story has never been about standing still. It's about imagining the technology of tomorrow and building it together.